Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm here to show you Facebook trending photo. So in this way you can see here this photo we can make in just in 1 minute. So let's get started. So before that, please subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification to get more updates. So let's get started here. So dear viewers, first of all we have to go in Play Store, and then here is Photolab. Search for Photolab and then install this application. I've already installed, so I will open directly. And then after opening this, cancel this one, and you can see here many interface and the design looks which you want. So I would prefer this one. So this is the trending photo, and I will make once and show you in here. So I will select. So after just clicking here, you can choose your photo. So I will be choosing this one photo. I will change this photo to trending photo. After that, I will select on here this arrow. After that, I will close this, and it takes time. It is processing. You can see here. No need to do anything. Just we have to select the photo, and it will automatically process and gives the result. So it is taking some time, and now it's almost done. So here you can see, and the sketch is already made. So in this way you can do. Even you can change your as you like. So you can change your text. Even you can do this one and keep anywhere wherever you like, and even you can choose here, share and share this. Got it? And then you can save to device. Got it? And then you can save in anywhere. So in this way you can do and share in another platforms, where you can share to Instagram or newsfeed or your story or WhatsApp Messenger, your story, Telegram, Gmail, Viber, Twitter, anywhere, or Drive, or your mobile app, Dio, Lens, or you can save in anywhere. So this is very simple way to make your trending photo. So in this way I will show you my gallery. See here, I got here, you can see here, and you can see the difference. So here you can do like this. So I hope this video helps you a lot. If you like this video, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel how you like this video. Thank you so much.